Well, good evening, friends. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and the house is very quiet. All my kids have gone home from the holiday. Son's gone back to college. Grandchildren are, of course, back home with their parents, and it's very quiet and a little depressing. So I thought I was watching a lot of YouTube videos, and then I just got so kind of sick of just sitting there stagnating and doing nothing, so I thought I would get some of my glue booking materials and do a glue booking page. I don't think I've shown you guys this one. It says Reasons to Smile, Going the Extra Mile. I thought that was cute, but I do regret that I wasn't more careful cutting. It looks very rigid. And then here we have Healthy Living, an Exciting Adventure. I added some leaves from a different book, some birds, and some people walking. And then Blooming Beauty. I added some cutouts from a calendar. These are just some like die cuts that I had. I think I cut this out of a paper. And she's just from another page of the magazine, so is he. And this is a die cut flower, Blooming Beauty. Alright, so I'm only going to do like every other page so the book doesn't get too bulky. Oh, and this one. Have a Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas. And this is from Little Golden Books, Santa's Toy Shop or something like that. It's actually the cover of my Christmas December Daily Journal, which is coming up next. And just scrapbook paper background. But I am, since this book has this kind of binding, I can't really make it too bulky, so I'm only going to do every other page and then put the date on that back page. So I thought I would put this background on here. So beautiful. And I'm going to do that with some, what is it? Craft Bond, Elmer's Craft Bond glue. And just going to slather it all on there. And I hope you guys are doing well. How was your Thanksgiving? If you celebrate Thanksgiving, that just got very wrinkly. Well, now it looks like lightning coming out of the sky. Alright, well, we're going to keep that there. And I thought I would cut this guy playing the piano out, and I will do that off camera, and we're going to put him on here. Alright, so I actually decided to cut all of this stuff off because it just looked too weird and it was actually too wide for the page. But I did cut out some of the notes, which I'm going to leave like that. And I think we'll put him down here. Now the only problem is this is white here and it needs to be black. So I'm wondering if I should color it in with a marker. But I don't want to make things look worse either. And then we have this thing here, which it looks like the leg is broken off. But I think I'm going to just go ahead and color this part in with a marker. Let's see, I got a black marker here. Let's hope for the best. Yep. It's not exactly coming out as black as the rest of it, but I think it will look better. I think that does look better. And then we just have this other leg that I think I'm just going to ignore. And now we're going to put some glue on him and get him, hopefully without ripping him, get glued on. playing a piano out in this beautiful, gorgeous valley. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to put that there, and I will get some of these glued on, and these are going to be a little more difficult to glue on because they're so delicate. So let's see how that works. Oops. I don't want any more unnecessary wrinkles. Maybe I'll have one coming from here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Guess I'll put the little one on next. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now this one. I hope I was on camera. And then I found these words, which I thought were perfect. Wonders of creation. Superb. Well, that's what I'm going to do. And that's going to be my little tiny, my little tiny, quick and easy glue book page for the day. Alright, and I will just go ahead and stamp the time, or the day, stamp the day. Today is the 26th, and I'm going to make sure this is going to work. I've been having to ink it up. Yeah, I need to ink it up. It's running out of ink. I wonder if you can re-ink them. So what I'm going to do is take my little tiny ink pad and do this. If it gets stuck, just push it up and it comes back. So now let's try it over here. Yep, November 26th, but that had some on it. What a disaster of a spread here. Oops. Alright, so I think that's it. Alright, so here is the finished spread. I did draw the leg on. I don't know how much better that looks, or if it does look better. But anyway, yeah, this is my simple spread for November 26, 2023, The Wonders of Creation. Superb. He's creating music, and this is God's creation all around him. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you're having a great day. I hope you are happy and healthy, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.